Hey y'all, Ashley K here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be discussing how you, yes you watching me, okay, can get paid to talk to strangers on a day-to-day basis. Okay, you guys, super easy. This is a super quick find that I have been researching, and I want to go ahead and bring it to you guys. As you guys know, I always plug you guys up on the newest, latest, and greatest. So you definitely want to check this out. If this is something you are interested in, be sure to watch to the end, because I will definitely be explaining everything you need to know when it comes to this new website. And yeah, let's get into it. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in lifestyle, money making app videos, money making tips, pretty much plugging you on everything that has to do with getting your life and upgrading it. But most importantly, I specialize in how to live your best budget friendly life. Okay, best budget friendly life. Okay, so if that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that red button. It's free. I'm not charging you to do it. Okay, just hit that red button. Super easy, like literally a millisecond. Just go ahead and do that. Okay, make sure you like this video up if you like content like this. Okay, you guys, and follow me on my socials. It will be linked down below as well too. So now that we got all that out the way, let's get into why you came here today. Okay, look at me rhyming, and I even had to. So yes, y'all, the website we will be discussing today is called Lyngo.com. Okay, it's kind of spelled a little bit different than Lingo is spelled. So I'll be linking it in the screen somewhere so you guys can get the actual spelling. But it's called Lyngo.com. They are promising to pay us $14 an hour just to speak to strangers. Lyngo basically specializes in teaching people the English language and also translation services. This new company was founded in the year 2012 and has already great reviews online so far from all their employees. But not only do they have raving reviews, they also require no experience to sign up. Okay, did you hear me? No experience to sign up. So you don't have to be a teacher, you don't have to be specialized in teaching or anything like that. There is no experience required up front. So literally anyone can go ahead and do this. All the requirements that they have for their website is that you have to obviously have a webcam, you have to have sufficient and really good internet access, really fast internet, really good internet access that you can use on a day-to-day basis. That's what you have to have. And you also have to be able to have access to Skype, because you will be talking to your students and you will be talking and discussing. So you need to have a webcam and you need to have Skype on your computer. So those are the three major things that I was seeing on their website that they require you to have. And also you must be a proficient English language speaker. Okay, so you must be proficient in English, or you must be proficient in Japanese. So those are the two languages that are requirements, and literally everyone can speak English as a first or second language. So if that is something that you already have on the bag, then you can definitely go ahead and do this job. And since this is online, many countries can apply to work. I did not see any country restrictions that could not work, so make sure you go ahead and check that out if your country applies. But I didn't see any restrictions on any countries, so you definitely want to check this out for sure. If you are living in different countries other than the US and Canada, definitely check it out and see if it's compatible for you. And now the payment. They do pay $14 an hour. If I haven't said that already, they do pay you $14 an hour just to translate English or any type of English language courses. They do pay you $14 an hour through PayPal. Okay, so you do need to sign up and have a free PayPal account. It's absolutely free to sign up for PayPal. If I've talked about PayPal in multiple videos. It is absolutely free to sign up for PayPal. You don't need any social security number or anything like that. You just need pretty much first name, last name, address, and you pretty much have a PayPal account for free. And a lot of these online companies do pay through PayPal, so it's important to just get a PayPal. It connects directly to your bank account and you don't have to worry about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything I have for this video. I will also be linking their official company website down below, as well as their reviews, so you guys can read through the reviews for yourself and get a feel and see if this company really is for you. Definitely read through all the reviews, like I always enforce. Do your own research as well too. See if this company is a good fit for you, and then also read through the company website and see if the things that and the tasks that they ask you to do are of your caliber and you can definitely complete them. And like I said, there's not really much restrictions on the website, so you definitely, I feel like anyone can do it as long as you speak English, you pretty much have good internet access, you're pretty much good to go and go ahead and do this job. Okay, you guys, so everything will be linked down below. Make sure you check out the down bar. If you have any other further questions, be sure to leave a comment or email me. Everything will be down below for you to do that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.